All right, snacks happen too. This is Ms. Renfro's Ghost Pepper Nacho Cheese Dip. That's what I'm talking about. And what's great about using this is I don't have to fight to get every little bit out of the bowl, and then I eat the bowl. I've got some multigrain tortilla chips. All right, that's good stuff. If ghost peppers are too hot, don't eat ghost peppers, but you can put whatever kind of dip in there you want. Because ghost pepper will clear out your sinuses a little bit. This isn't too bad. Not too bad. It's friggin' good. All right. Have a great, wonderful day. All right, here's another quick and easy meal. This is quinoa. It's supposed to be spicy jalapeno and roasted pepper. I've never tried it before. I'm not sure really where I got it. Earthy Grains it's called. So, look at this. They even give you a collapsible fork. They do have instructions. Hold on. All right, what it says is you can eat it just like this, or you can nuke it up a little bit, heat it up. So I'm going to nuke it up. And see if we can construct this spork or whatever you want to call it. Look at that. Bam. Look at there. It might even work. Alright, now we'll open up the jalapeno part. I'll mix that in. Mix that up. Try and mix it in there. And it says just hit it 15-20 seconds in there, so we'll see. Alright. "20 seconds, it's going." Alright, that's 20 seconds of nucleation. And we're gonna see. I can't tell you I'm overly excited, but I did buy it, so I must have wanted to try it. So here we go. Oh. That's not very good. I'll nuke it more. I think the only thing that's saving it is the jalapeno. Jalapeno and roasted peppers help a little bit, but yeah, I'm not sure I'll buy that one again. But I'll eat it. Earthly Grains, ready to eat quinoa meal, spicy jalapeno and roasted peppers. Alright. Maybe it's better warmer. Probably not. Quinoa is an acquired taste, I think. But hey, every now and then you try to do some veggie snacks. Right? It's edible. It's not terrible, but I'm not sure I'll buy it again. Alright, there'll be other quick little things processed out of a box. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, let's see here if we can read this for you. 120 calories. Total fat 4 grams. Saturated fat none. Trans fat none. Cholesterol none. It's got salt in it. Carbs 16 grams. Fiber 3 grams. A little bit of sugar in it. Protein 3 grams. So it's not bad for you, but I don't know how great it tastes. Again, try that great and wonderful day thing. Alright, here's another thing. This is Arizona lightly sweet oak brewed tea. Give it a try. This is just weird stuff. Shake it up. Alright. Not very good. Kind of tastes like somebody just threw a twig in there. Do not recommend. Yuck. I'll finish it because I paid for it, but I spilled it because it wasn't very good. Alright, there's other stuff. Alright, YouTubers. Impulse buys, quick meals, Girl Scout Thin Mint cereal. Who could resist it? I should, but let's see what it's going to taste like. Smells like Thin Mints. Okay, this is Sir Bananas with real bananas. I've basically switched to like almond milk and coconut milk, but this is regular low-fat milk, but it's got bananas in it. So I figured, what the hey? Smells like bananas in there. Most people know how to make cereal. I guess this just shows sometimes cheat stuff happens. That's why I made a whole video about cheat meals. Alright, let's give it a second. 1 spoon. See what it tastes like. Banana milk is actually pretty good. And the cereal, guess what it tastes like? It tastes like Thin Mints. Great and wonderful day. Alright, here's another quick meal kind of thing. This is called Overnight Oats. Blueberry, banana, and vanilla bliss. And I guess what you do with this is you add your favorite milk to the fill line, stir well, cover and refrigerate to cold steep overnight. Simply stir and enjoy for a cool and creamy yet hearty breakfast experience. And it says to fill to that line. So you know what we're going to do? Fill it to that line. It's bubbling. Hope that's good. It says to stir it up fairly well. I put the cap on it and put it in the refrigerator. We'll eat it in the morning. Alright, YouTubers, it's time to grab that breakfast thing out of the refrigerator. There it is. We'll mix it up. See how they taste. They're good and not bad at all. Alright, if you want to try it, Quaker Overnight Oats. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, YouTubers, here is something called the Best Damn Root Beer. Now, I don't show myself drinking all that often because I don't do it that much anymore. But this got alcohol in it, apparently. So let's give it a taste. Yep, pretty much tastes like alcohol with a little kick. Not a lot. It's only 5.5% alcohol. I'm a liquor drinker, so that's not that much. Best Damn Root Beer, period. Ale aged on vanilla beans with natural flavors and caramel. Doesn't really taste like, well, it's got a little beer taste to it, but mostly root beer. Alright, we'll have some fun with that 6-pack. Okay, so I drank more of this, and I liked it less. Because it begins to have a little bit of root beer taste and a little bit of beer taste. And put those things together, yeah, not so much. Because the root beer taste hits you a little first, and then you get a beer taste. And the two are just weird. So, I don't know. I don't think I'd recommend that. If you like root beer, get a root beer. If you like beer, get a beer.
Pretty much every day I eat about 3 of America's favorite cookie. I try to limit to that, but they're my favorites too. And these white fudge pretzels from Aldi's are pretty awesome.
Alright, I'm not going to show you the whole cooking process, but these are lemon zest raviolis from Costco, and they're actually pretty good. I've had them in the past. You boil water, and you cook them for 4 or 5 minutes, and that's about as easy as it gets. It's just store-bought Costco raviolis, which are really good, and a nice olive oil on them. Oh yeah, that's good eating. Not everything has to be complicated. You can cheat sometimes. Have a great and wonderful day. If you go to Costco, get these. They're really good.